Hello, traders and investors. This is MarketGoodies.com. Today we will be discussing Dtto, listed on the pink sheets, closed above 13.83% last Friday. You can't get that in a CD. That's why we like stocks. Does very well. Okay, we're going to start from top to bottom. We're going to look at our RSI, or Relative Strength Index. RSI has been making higher lows. See right here for the past 3 months, which is an often bullish sign. I also want to see that this particular level right here has not been breached. In other words, that's when it was overbought. Currently, it's neither overbought nor oversold. It's at the 70 range. We're going to scroll down a little bit and we're going to look at our support levels and our resistance levels. Love this candle right here. This is our resistance level. I want to see if this can break Monday with this kind of volume. I don't see any kind of problem with that. Support level right here. Actually, your support level is a little bit lower. It's pretty much right here. Once it broke the support level, well, once it broke this resistance level, that then becomes support. As you can see, it's tested once, twice, 30 times, and then the fourth time was the charm. Broke out, and that's probably why you saw some volume right here, because you had a nice little breakout right there. Parabolic SARs are underneath the candle. As I always say, when they're underneath the candle, that's bullish. When they're over the candle, that's bearish. Currently, they are underneath the candle. We're also going to look at our 50-day moving average, which is another support line, and our 200-day moving average, which is another support line. We're just going to draw that straight. Also, if you look at your volume bars, let me click on this real quick. Notice what happens when you have volume. You have some very nice price action. Here's one of the volume bars that we were looking at. When you have this kind of volume, usually you see some very nice price action. That's always a good sign, and volume's coming back into the chart, as you can see right here. Want to see continuation in this. Again, we are not financial advisors at marketgoodies.com, so please do your own research and due diligence. Thank you and have a great day.